For years, I've relied on a traditional UPS to protect my data and home networking gear during a power disruption. They work, but they haven't caught up to the improved battery chemistries that are available today. After a recent and what seems to be annual battery failure, I decided to try something different. Instead of going on the hunt for a replacement SLA battery, I bought an EcoFlow RIVER 3 Plus, a LifePo 4 portable power station with UPS features. Let's talk about why I switched from an APC UPS and why it might be the upgrade you need. I've used APC for years. They're solid for quick outages, but the lead acid batteries in these units lose capacity quickly with the frequent partial discharges that come with the territory in this type of application. Besides that, SLA batteries just flat wear out in a couple of years. In less than a year, my runtime would drop to about 20 minutes for the 100-watt load of my internet router, my NAS, and my PoE injector. The APC just wasn't cutting it. The EcoFlow RIVER 3 Plus is compelling because of the superior battery chemistry and for UPS features that are uncommon in typical power stations. It uses a lithium iron phosphate or LifePo 4 chemistry, which can last up to 10 years before dropping to 80% capacity. That's a huge improvement over swapping APC batteries every couple of years. It's compact, weighing just over 10 pounds, half the weight of my APC, and at 286 watt hours has ample capacity for my needs. The improved battery performance should give me a solid runtime for my network gear for years longer than a typical UPS. Let's get into what makes this power station suitable as a UPS replacement where other units may not be. First, the transfer switch. A UPS has to kick in fast to keep from cycling power on your equipment and corrupting your data. The RIVER 3 Plus has a sub 10 millisecond transfer, which is what you need and expect from a UPS. Next, runtime. As mentioned earlier, this is where the RIVER 3 Plus really delivers. My APC gave me about 20 minutes to shut down my gear. With the RIVER 3 Plus, I should get about 2.5 hours of runtime for the whole setup. That's enough to ride out most outages and keep my network running with more than enough time to safely shut things down. If I need more, I can add extra battery and bump the capacity to 858 watt hours, giving me 7.5 hours at 100 watts. That's runtime I've never seen in a comparably sized SLA UPS. With a fully charged phone and laptop, that's practically a full day of internet connectivity when I'm working from home. Finally, the RIVER 3 Plus has software for additional UPS functionality. In addition to its color LCD screen to keep you informed, you get an Android and iOS app that allows you to monitor and manage your device. You can monitor battery status, you can get low battery alerts, and you can tweak the charging settings via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It also has NAS and Windows software that can gracefully shut down connected devices before the River's battery runs out. Just connect the River's USB port to your NAS, home server, or PC. EcoFlow's Power Manager software can trigger a safe shutdown if the battery runs low. There are some hoops to jump through to get this working with a QNAP NAS and a NUT server, but it is straightforward if you use a Synology. It's also quick and easy if connecting to a Windows-based device. Then, of course, here's where the RIVER 3 Plus goes beyond any traditional UPS. It's portable. My APC is a brick that stays put, but I can grab the RIVER 3 Plus and I can take it anywhere. Need to power some gear on an activation? Easy. Going off grid and want to charge some devices? It's got you covered. It has 7 outlets, 3 AC ports, USB-C, USB-A, and a car-style DC port. It recharges in about an hour via AC, or you can use solar panels for off-grid setups. That versatility is unmatched if you need a multi-purpose power solution compared to a standard UPS. Now, this isn't a perfect UPS replacement. Let's talk about some things to be aware of. Surge protection is a big one. APC units are designed with great surge suppression, designed to take the hit during a power spike. The River 3 Plus doesn't emphasize surge protection, so you will want to plug it into a high quality surge protector to cover this gap. Also, early River 3 Plus firmware has had some minor bugs, like inaccurate battery reporting in Windows. However, EcoFlow has rolled out updates to address these issues. Cost is another consideration. I picked up the River 3 Plus on sale for $259, but it's more common to see it at $300 compared to $200 for the APC Backups 1500. But with one APC battery swap, you're even on cost and you've enjoyed much longer runtime during outages. The River comes with a 5-year warranty, where the APC will get you 3 years. So, to recap, the EcoFlow River 3 Plus solves the biggest issue I had with my APC UPS. It's got a longer lasting battery and still gives me UPS class transfer switch and a facility to automatically shut down my equipment and reduce the chance of corrupt data. It's not perfect. Surge protection and software integration could improve, but for keeping my home network online during outages, it's a solid upgrade. Have you tried the River 3 Plus or another power station for your network? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, folks, and until next time, 7-3.